Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the choose function. So the choose function is used to perform calculations for multiple scenarios. And let's look at the example. Here are the three scenarios for the raise per year, the 4%, 5%, and 6%. Here's the list of the employees and their actual salary for 2024 and the total. So for question, it asks us what is the projected salary in 2028 under scenario 3? And what is the projected salary in 2033 under scenario 1? So to answer these questions, we can use the choose function to calculate the projected salary. So what we want to do here is we want to first create an active scenario. So I'm just going to create an active scenario here. And then since there are three scenarios, I'm just going to put one for now. So let's go put in the formulas to help us calculate the projected salary. So in here, we can do equal 2024 salary times 1 plus. So in here, we want to use the choose function. So for index number, we'll just put in the active scenario. So it could be 1, 2, or 3 since there are three scenarios. And we want to angle this number. And then for value 1, we want to select the scenario 1 number, which is 4%, angle it. Value 2 is the second scenario number, the 5%. And then for value 3, we can select the scenario 3's number, 6%. So in this case, what the choose function does is it will look at the index number from this active scenario cell, which is 1, and then it will select the first value. And then if it's a 2, it will select the second value, and so on, and so on, and so forth. And now we can press close parenthesis again, and we can press enter. Now we can drag it down and drag it across. Now we have all the projected salary from 2025 to 2034 under scenario 1. So the first question it asks for the projected salary in 2028 under scenario 3. So in this case, all we have to do is go to the active scenario and change this 1 to 3. And now we know that the projected salary is about $829K for 2028 under scenario 3. So for the second question, the projected salary is in 2033 under scenario 1. So all we have to do is go back to the active scenario and change this 3 back to 1. So we know that the projected salary for 2023 under scenario 1 is about $935,000. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.